Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wayne. I'm going to tell you guys today how to get your truck out of full derate. You're sitting on the side of the road, you're in full derate, truck going 5 miles per hour, or shutting down or whatever. I used to be a mechanic. I'm going to tell you how I learned how to do it in the shop. When the truck has been towed in full derate, okay, I will get the work order, go out there and get the truck. We'll crank it up. We'll operate the truck to full operating temperature, almost 200 degrees Fahrenheit at full operating temperature. Standard shift truck, you're going to put it in low gear. You're going to get it as far above 1500 as you can get it, driving it around the yard. Try to get it to at least driving it around the yard. What you're going to be doing, you're going to be blowing that diesel particulate filter out. You're going to be blowing it out with the engine, cleaning it. You're going to be doing the same thing pretty much that they do in the shop. What they do in the shop, they blow those filters out, blow all the carbon out. If that don't do the trick, they will bake the filters and burn all the ash out of there. But what we're going to be doing, we're going to be blowing it out with the truck. So if you got a standard shift, you put it in low gear. You drive it around somewhere in low gear where you get for about 10, 15, 20 minutes until it goes out of derate. If you got an automatic, you shift it in low gear and you drive it around 15, 20, 30 minutes in a parking lot somewhere to get it out of derate. Once it's out of derate, then you do yourself a parked regen and finish cleaning it out. Okay? Make sure both of your parking brakes set and hit your park regen. You're going to save all kind of money at the mechanic shop. Also, what you can do to save yourself trouble, when you see that regen light, your truck is regenning going down the highway, you know, you happen to get off, you happen to pull into a truck stop or somewhere, you know, to get your coffee, use the toilet, get your hot dog, whatnot. Shift the truck into low gear. Put the pedal all the way down, get it above 1500 RPM, try to get it up to about 2000 or whatnot. You can be blowing the filter out. You know, just ease on up to the pumps or whatnot, or you can be blowing the filter out like that. So basically, to get yourself out of full derate, you put the truck into low gear, whether it be automatic or standard, and you drive it around at full operating temperature about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, until the truck gets out of full derate, and then you regen it. And you should be good to go. Go down the road. No tow truck. What you burn about a half gallon of gas doing that? Gallon of gas? That's about it. Gallon of diesel. Y'all have a good day out here on this here old road, okay? And keep it real. Like Gorilla Wayne. Keep it real out here. Okay? God bless you.